Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you how I easily take raster based art and vectorize it. So I'm going to take line art and convert it from a raster format to a vector format. And the program that I'm going to be using is on a Mac. It is called Image Vectorizer. And I will share some Windows based applications in the description to this video if you want to give those a try. Fair warning, I have not used the Windows versions, so I have no idea what your experience might be. But this particular program on the Mac is called Image Vectorizer, and it rocks. So here's what I'm going to do. Let's start off by looking at this image of this comic book cover that I've created. It's actually an homage to Todd McFarlane's Incredible Hulk cover. And I'm going to copy that layer and simply paste it into a new Photoshop document. And from there, I'm going to save for web. And I've got a keyboard shortcut mapped to this, but you may not have that. So if you go to File, Export, Save for Web, you'll get this dialog box. We're going to make sure that we save this off as a JPEG. And I'll just call this Wolverine. And since I've already got that file there, I'll just overwrite it. So once you have this JPEG file, let's go ahead and launch Image Vectorizer. The way it works is as follows. You're going to take your source image, which in this case is our JPEG file, and you're simply going to drag it onto the left panel. And then all you have to do, and I've had really great results with just the default settings. There are various settings that you can control depending upon the quality of your raster image, but I have never messed with that. It's always been pretty much the same thing. So I'm just going to click Vectorize, and you will see the line art that shows up. And so if I export this vector, it's going to export it out to an EPS file. So I'll call this Wolverine.eps. And I will now have an EPS file that I can work with. So if I want to, say, launch Illustrator, I can just drag that EPS file in, and I can do whatever I wish. So I'll just make a new document and find my EPS file and drag it in. You can see it's already ridiculously huge. And I'll just show you what the quality of this is like. So if I were to confirm these setting changes and zoom in, you can see that it's very crisp. I could go ahead and have even more control over these vectors if I wish to, but I'm pretty happy with how things look. So hopefully you found this tip to be of use. It's a program called Image Vectorizer for the Mac. It's about $5 on the Mac App Store. There is a Windows version that does something similar. I will link to that in the description below, so please check that out. Let me know what your experience is like. And again, thank you for watching the videos, and I will see you on the next one.